Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make Pakistani dish which is very common here in Pakistan nationwide. So I will share you how to cook this nari. So first I have to brown these onions. Take note the onions. And then after brown these onions I have to take out. And then I have to put also garlics. I have chicken here. This is one chicken, almost 2 kilograms. But I keep also pieces, 2 pieces for chicken breast. So I make this one for my favorite Filipino foods, chicken tapa. So what I have to do, this one is I have to slice this one into cubes. And then I have to marinate, put soy sauce, vinegar, ground pepper, salt, and what is more, garlics, minced garlic. So now we have to first brown these onions. This kind of recipe, nari, is very common, especially in winter season. So this is not the same to chicken curry, because chicken curry we have to use another kind of masalas like this turmeric powder, chili powder. But this one we have to use only this kind of masala. And this nari, no need to add tomatoes here. But chicken curry, you can use more tomatoes. So please watch until I finish to cook this recipe, nari. Onions is already brown. Now we have to take out now this brown onions, and we have to keep this one in plate. I already take out brown onions. So next we have to fry this minced garlic. Garlic is already brown. Now we have to put now this chicken one by one. And then we have to cook this one for almost 15 to 20 minutes until this chicken become cooked. Now let's check. So still this is not cooked, still half cooked. As you can see the gravy or water from this chicken. This is natural gravy or water from chicken or from garlics. I did not add any water here. That this is natural juice or water or gravy. So we have to cover again because it's still not cooked. So let's check again. I'm sure this is already cooked. Already more than half cooked. So next we have to do is we have to put now this masala, nari masala. I have to put all this one packet. This kind of nari. Then after finished product, it will be like this. Like this. Now we have to put now this one because it's already more than half cooked. And then we have to mix. And then we have to cook this one until this powder masala will be mixed well. We have to cook for almost 10 minutes. We will check again after put this nari masala. So next we have to put now this diluted wet flour. I put 3 tablespoons of wheat flour and then I put some water here. So I'll already mix this water with flour, wet flour. Now we have to put now here. And then we have to cook again this one for almost 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Now we have to cover again. Now let's check again after putting this diluted wet flour with water. First we have to mix. Now it's time to put now water, enough water or gravy for this chicken nari. You can use also beef nari, mutton nari. So I think this is already enough water. So this is enough water. Now we have to cover again. And we have to wait this one until boil. Now let's check again. Gravy is enough and also chicken is already cooked. Now next we have to do and we will put now this, what you call this? Grinded brown onions as toppings. Ayan. So this is already cooked. I did not put all this brown onion. I have to eat this one in rice. This is very tasty. And if you want to eat, now you can put some ginger, coriander leaves, and juice of lemon. And if you want to put green chilies, you can put also. You can remove one slice of chicken and gravy, then you put in plate, and you have to put this one. Little ginger, coriander leaves, juice of lemon, and green chilies. So our dinner is ready, and this is also for tomorrow lunch. Let's eat, everyone. I put already one piece of chicken and some slices of ginger, parsley, and lemon juice. And no need to put this green chili because this is chilies. Now with, of course, with white rice and chapati. But chapati is much better partner with this nari, but for me, white rice. So kain tayo. Kain tayo, ganyan kumain. Yan. Bismillahi wala barakatillah. Sarap. Kunti na lang yung tinabi ko na brown onions kasi kumain na sila. Ako na lang yung hindi kumain. Pero sa kanila, chapati yung kinain nila. Isa lang yung natira sa akin. Pero pag chapati, ganyan din kakain yan. No need to use no need to use spoon or chopstick. Ganyan yan, kakain yan, ganyan. Tapos, tanggalin yung kunting manok, ganyan kakain. Ayan. Yan. Bismillah wala barakatillah. Sarap. Lagyan ng gravy.